Chlorine Stabilizer makes your pool's chlorine work harder and smarter. Think of it as a sunscreen for your pool's chlorine. It protects it from evaporating due to sunlight. We recommend using Chlorine Stabilizer at the beginning of the season to help maintain chlorine levels throughout the summer. You may need to check your cyanuric acid levels after refilling your pool or a significant downpour to ensure your chlorine is protected. First, chlorinate your pool and follow by balancing your levels if necessary. Next, add 24 ounces of Chlorine Stabilizer for every 5,000 gallons of pool water. We recommend using this slow release method. You'll need a funnel, an old sock, and twine. Funnel the powder into an old sock and tie it around your pool ladder's railing. This will allow the powder to dissolve properly over 3 to 4 days. If you have any questions about stabilizing your pool water, feel free to contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.